dificultades, solo algo voy a pedir. No me importan los regalos underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. No me importa lo que digan, Santa Claus la va a traer. Yo te quiero para mí, por favor dime que sí.
Okay guys, so the first one is the easiest one, and to make it easier, we're already in the position and we do the dip on 1 till 4. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. So now on 5, we're gonna bring the body, the weight of the follower again to the front with a wave. So going up with the upper body in 5. On 6, we're gonna bring the weight back and the upper body is going to start falling a little bit in a wave form in 6. And now the only thing that we do is that the upper body of the followers is going to straighten up in 7, and we're gonna change the weight to be on 8, tapping with the left foot. So let's show it from this point of view, counting in 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So leaders, as you saw, it's important that we rotate ourselves to be looking at the follower at the end, but that we don't leave any rotation for her. So for her, the whole move is forward, forward and backwards. There's no rotations whatsoever. Only us at the end, we are here on 4, and we go 5, 6, and we rotate. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and let us know down below. Subscribe to our channel, check out these other videos that you are going to love. See you there.